All right, I don't know about you, but I do. I want to live better, longer. And I think the key to that is having supreme mobility. We got 10 minutes of low impact mobility building workout today. Just keep moving with me for 10 minutes. And we are going to build some incredible mobility just so that we can move through our day with ease, functional fitness, just to do the simple things. We're going 2 days in a row with mobility. It's just how important it is. It doesn't take a lot. Swing the arms up with our march. So we're building some mobility in the upper back, our shoulders, clearly in our legs. 10 exercises, 10 moves. Each one, you got it right. 1 minute or so. I get bad at tracking all the time. Sometimes you get into a flow and it just feels good. You know, we can always take our march for a walk around our area. Just move dynamically. Let's have some fun today. Connect to the breath. All that good stuff. Okay. We're going to step out the toe, reach, and then pull back. Another side. Great for the hamstring. When we come up, we're getting that great mobility in the upper back as well. Breathe into every movement. Bring ultimate presence. This is just so we can do the simplest of things in our day. Bend over and tie my shoe with ease, not feel like an old person. No, I will never be old. It's a mindset. Young at 100. Yes. Really reach that back. Sink a little deeper if you can. With each movement, feel it in the hamstring. Upper back. Yes, this is brilliant. And last one. Okay. Nice solid base. Standing cat-cow. All right. So chest comes forward, we round the back. Below, lower back. And then, like a cat, totally arched back. Chest forward. Arch the back. Rounded lower spine. And arch the back. And just go. Find a nice flow. This is so great for mobility in our spine. Head up high. Just find that brilliant movement that works for you. A few more. And arch. Yes, yes, yes. Feel it in there. That can be a little stiff in the mornings to do, I've found, but it's so great to get you going. Okay. Let's open up the hips. All right, leg out. Circles. Big circles. We're going to switch all the way to the other side now. Circle. We're building balance, core stability as well. Opening up the hip. And then we're going to go back and do it backwards. Or the leg behind. Circle. Really nice. Yes. Other side. Get that balance. If you need a chair or something, pause the video quick, grab one. That's fine. Let's go back. Now, the other way. If you're going clockwise, now go counterclockwise. Other side. Counterclockwise. Oh, yes. Get a bigger circle. Terrific. Behind. Oh, yeah. Just a few rotations. We're building amazing strength and balance, engaging that core stability, as well as mobility. We can do so much with each exercise. Okay. And, shake that one out. We're going to keep with a little bit of balance here. This will be interesting. You're going to lift the knee up. Do 5 circles with your foot for build mobility in the ankle. And then, on the other side, we're going to come up. calf raises for 5. And then other side. So now you can stretch out that ankle. Amazing. Nice big circle. And then come up, calf raises. This would be good for a chair if you have one nearby. Or use the wall, of course. Whew. That was not intentional. I need one more. There we go. If you fall, no problem. Let's go again. Circle for 5 or so. Gauge the core so you keep that balance. Come on up. It's amazing. We often don't think about our ankles, keeping that mobility. And other side. Circle with the ankle. And then up for 5. Connect to your breath. If it's tricky, be thankful. Yes. Being pushed, challenged. Shake it out. Grateful for the challenges. Okay, similar as before, but now we're going to bend, hamstring, but with a bit of a twist, so just one hand down. Hamstring sweeps. Great mobility in the lower back. Clearly our hamstrings. Just go as low as you can. Find a nice flow. Breathe. We'll be through this in no time. It's supposed to be a pleasure though, right? This is not a punishment. We're honoring our body. Honor what you can do. No matter where you're at, that's perfect. It's taken a whole lifetime to get where you're at. Accept that reality. And then we can move forward. If there's things you want to improve on, brilliant. Day by day, you're going to get stronger and more mobile. We stick with it. Last one. Hold it there for a second. And we should go to the other side and just hold it. Hold it. Okay. Lovely. Okay. Wide stance. And we're going to go lunge to the side. Just back and forth. Just the best that you can do. Good one. Back and forth. Core stability. Yes. You should really feel it in the hips. Maybe you sink a little bit deeper. With each side lunge. Oh yeah. A couple more. Come on. And right up. Just into a side bend. Arm can come up if you like, or you can just be here, really opening up the side body, relieving tension in the area around the ribs. Other side. This one, if you got a tight lower back, can be challenging. Do what you can. Always modify. Yeah. A couple more. Shake that out. Brilliant. One more maneuver for today. We're going to kick that leg up. And maybe it's like this. Happy days. If you're moving, you're grooving. Any movement is good. You know it. We just want to move our bodies. You just kick that leg up a little bit higher each time. We can start to step out a bit further also. Generating more hip mobility. Great flexibility in the groin. Just a few more. 3, 2, 1. Whew. Hallelujah. Well done. Now we are super mobile. We just want to do these things so we can move with much more ease through our day. Do the simple things in life with strength. Just take it all in. Just for a moment. Just absorb it all. Keep moving throughout your day. Bend over to tie your shoes. Find moments where you can use your mobility and aid in it. Well done. I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye.